Yeah, my name is James Blair. I am a managing director with Marcus and Millichap. I specialize in the disposition and acquisition of multifamily assets for clients throughout BC. Yeah, a lot has changed over the last 10 years. So going back through 2016, obviously a completely different market. We were at the beginning or mid of a big bull run with multifamily. A lot of transaction activity that we're seeing, probably almost double than what we're seeing today. Moved through that through kind of the tail end of 2018 and through 2019, still very strong from a sales perspective, transaction volume standpoint. Of course, we moved through COVID and we moved through that period, which was a lot of uncertainty, through the end of 21, very low interest rate environment that we were dealing with, which was a big change to what we were seeing. And of course, as we entered 2022, interest rates started to rise. We moved through that, but we also saw through that period as well, a lot of rent growth, which was very strong. So the fundamentals for multifamily throughout that 10-year period that we saw were very, very strong throughout Greater Vancouver. As we stand now, the fundamentals of the business have softened. Vacancy is up slightly, rents have softened as well. Now we're at a period of time looking forward to the next time of, well, what's going to happen over the next few years. So a lot of changes that have occurred, but have all been, the cycle that we're in, and a lot of positives come through it as well. Well, a lot of opportunity in general right now with pricing that has softened throughout Vancouver and really most of the province. Those that are acting with conviction today, we're finding are really taking advantage of the opportunities that we're seeing. So ultimately, those that have a strategy in place that they're looking to act upon, like I said, with a lot of conviction, are seeing a lot of success today in multifamily opportunities that we see. Especially on the acquisition side, of course, there's a lot of opportunity in the value-add vintage apartment building space. We've seen that very, very clear. What's nice about the market today with opportunity is that the market has reset itself. It is very clear on where values are. It's very clear what the fundamentals look like today. So investors are able to take advantage of those things if they are in a position when they're in acquisition. And vendors as well, they have a lot of clarity when it comes to what the value of their properties might be and what that looks like moving forward. So we're working with both sides of the equation a lot right now. We're finding a lot of success with that, and there's tons of opportunity right now in the multifamily space in Vancouver. Really excited about it. Multifamily market is really a long-term fundamental type of business. In a lot of ways, it hasn't been in the past, but we are reverting back to a classic multifamily long-term environment. There's a lot of great financing opportunities. CMHC has been a catalyst to a lot of growth within this sector. We still continue to see that today. Yes, rents have softened. Yes, we still see a little bit of a vacancy change here with all of the supply coming online. That will pass. Absorption will get through that. But ultimately, the strengths are the underlying fundamentals in multifamily, like through the programs that we're seeing. So we're really a big factor, really a big catalyst of that opportunity here. Well, we're certainly full of challenges right now. We're well aware of that. That's okay. The trends that we're seeing, of course, are starting to look forward to what's going to happen next in the latter part of the decade and into 2030. What groups are really looking ahead to now, and the trend that's really focused on, is sharpening your tools that you're working with, especially on the management side. It's competitive, there's challenges with rent growth and things like that, but ultimately people want to be here. And I think that's something that people are realizing again, is that people want to be in Vancouver, they want to invest here, they want to be involved in this city. And really sharpening your skill set, everything that you're doing, especially on the management side to set yourself apart, I would say is going to be the biggest trend in 2026, and acting on conviction again. Really executing on your strategy and seeing that through, you're going to be very successful.